How to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If you have an old computer with unsupported hardware for Windows 11, you can still upgrade to Windows 11 with a bootable USB flash drive with a clean manual installation. Microsoft left an open loophole that doesn't mention it on any of the documentation. Anyone can install Windows 11 at their own risk. There is no guarantee of system stability and driver compatibility. This guide will help you to install Windows 11, 21H2, 22H2, on a computer with non-compatible hardware. As the device is officially unsupported, they should take the risks and understand that stability, compatibility, and updates are not guaranteed. Step-by-step procedure to install Windows 11 with a bootable USB media. 1. Download the original ISO file from the Microsoft official site and prepare the USB bootable media. Check the description for details. Please check the description if you wish to know how to download and make Windows 11 bootable USB media. Go to System BIOS settings and make the first bootable device to USB. Most of the system will have an F12 key to select bootable device while starting. 2. Start the PC with the Windows 11 USB media and Windows 11 installation will just start. 3. Press the Shift plus F10 keyboard to open command prompt window. 4. Enter regedit on command prompt. 5. Go to the following path, key_local_machine/system/setup. 6. Right-click the setup folder, click New, and then on the key option 7. Enter key name as lab config. 8. Right-click the lab config folder, select New, and then the word 32-bit value option. 9. Name the key bypassed and check and press Enter. 10. Double-click the newly created bypassed and check key and change its value to 1. Click the OK button. 12. Right-click the lab config folder again and select New, and then the word 32-bit value option. 13. Enter the key name as bypass secure boot check and press Enter. 14. Double-click the newly created bypass secure boot check key and change its value to 1. 15. Click the OK button. 16. Now you can exit from regedit Windows and click the next button on the setup window and start the installation process as guided by the setup windows. You will not get any errors during the entire installation process. Hope you find this document useful. You may subscribe to our channel for such tricks and tips related to computers and mobiles.